New autonomous AI agent loop is crazy good. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new AI system that checks its own work so you don't have to. Your AI agents grade each other like little robot teachers. No more babysitting, no more fixing broken stuff. This thing is new, it's wild, and it's stupid simple to set up. Stick around because this changes how you use AI forever. Today, I'm going to show you a system where your AI agents check each other's work for you. It's called the self-checking factory, and it runs inside something I built called the Agent OS. This is a whole operating system for your AI agents. One agent builds something, a second agent grades it. If the work is bad, it goes back and gets fixed. It keeps going round and round until the work is actually good. No more you checking every little thing. Let me explain why this matters. Most people use AI wrong. They ask AI to make something, it hands it to you, and you have to check if it's any good. You become the tester. You catch every mistake. You read every page. That's tiring. That's not why we use AI. We want AI to do the hard work, not give us more homework. And that's exactly the problem the Agent OS was built to fix. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. While he's out there helping clients get more leads and more customers, I'm here to bring you the newest AI updates so you can stay ahead. And hey, Julian reads every single comment, so drop one below. He actually replies, okay, think about a bakery. Imagine no one there ever tastes the bread. It just goes straight from the oven to the customer. Some loaves are great, some are raw in the middle. And guess who finds out first? The customer, not the baker. That's exactly how most people use AI agents today. The AI writes the code, the article, the page, and hands it straight to you with zero checks. You become the one tasting the bread. So here's the fix. Inside the Agent OS, this runs as a self-checking factory, and you don't need to know how to code. You tell the AI what good looks like. One agent builds the thing, a second agent grades it, and you pick how many rounds it gets before it's done. Every single thing it builds gets saved inside the Agent OS workspace too. Here's why you need two separate agents instead of one. AI is a bad judge of its own work, the same way you can't proofread your own writing. Your brain reads what you meant to say, not what you actually wrote. If one AI grades its own homework, it thinks it did great every time. So the builder and the judge always stay separate. One builds, one grades, never the same one. Let me show you this running live inside the Agent OS because this is where it gets fun. Round 1 scored an 8 out of 100. Pretty rough. Round 2 jumped to 85. Round 3 hit 100, a perfect score right inside the dashboard. The agents got better every round and nobody had to sit there and fix it by hand. You are the customer here. You should never have to be the quality control department. But with most AI tools, that's exactly what you are. The Agent OS flips that around completely. If you want this exact setup, my Agent OS, join the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, you get the full zip file for the Agent OS ready to install, so you're not building any of this from scratch. You just plug it straight in. It comes with the Loop engineering system, the judge already connected, the Kanban board, and the Agent Mastermind all set up and ready to go. You also get the same builder and judge setup you just watched score an 8, then an 85, then a perfect 100. On top of that, you get coaching calls where we walk through the setup together, a whole community of people running this exact system on their own businesses, and step-by-step training that takes you from complete beginner to actually running your own self-checking factory. If you want to build systems like this for your own business, come check it out. All right, let's keep going because there's more than one way to run the loop inside the Agent OS. There are actually 3 different setups built into it, and each one works a little differently depending on what you're building. The first is the simple loop we already talked about. One builder, one judge, round and round until it's done. The second is called a Kanban board, and you can see it right here inside the Agent OS. This one is a bit bigger. Instead of just one builder and one judge, you get a whole team of agents working together on the same board. So say you're making a video like this one. You'd have a video director agent, a builder agent, a writer agent, and then a judge agent that reviews everything at the end and gives a final verdict. You just drop the task onto the board and it automatically gets broken down into smaller jobs for each agent to handle. The third is even more fun. It's called the Agent Mastermind. And again, this is all built inside the Agent OS. This is basically a group chat, but instead of people, it's your AI agents talking to each other. You give them one goal, like come up with a new idea, and they bounce ideas back and forth with each other, almost like a real team brainstorming. Once they land on something good, it gets saved and moved into a pipeline where it actually gets built. That's the loop in action again, just in a different form inside the same system. And on the Kanban board, there's something called the content judge. This is a separate agent whose whole job is to grade the work. It gives you a clear pass or fail, and it explains exactly why right there on your screen. What it liked, what it didn't like, what needs fixing. That's the kind of detail that makes the final result actually good, without you having to sit there going back and forth all day typing out feedback. Now you might be thinking, will this actually work for my business? I'm not a coder, I don't build apps. Here's the good news. The Agent OS doesn't care what you're building. It could be a website, it could be blog posts, it could be a landing page, it could be a whole marketing campaign. If you can describe the finished result in one sentence, this system can build it and grade it for you. As a real example, let's say you wanted a new landing page for your community. You'd simply tell the builder agent, design a landing page that shows the real value of AI automation, explains the benefits clearly, and is built to bring in more leads and customers. Then the judge agent checks it against that goal and sends it back until it's actually good enough to publish. That's the whole point of the Agent OS. You set the goal once, and the system keeps working until it's right. Let's compare the old way to this new way, because the difference is honestly huge. The old way looks like this. You spend hours every single day checking AI's work. You spot a problem, you explain the fix, you wait, you repeat that same conversation 4 or 5 times for one task. You're testing every button, every link, every sentence, and work gets lost somewhere in an endless chat scroll. If you stop checking for even a day, mistakes slip through. The new way inside the Agent OS looks completely different. You spend a couple minutes writing one clear goal. The builder and the judge agents take it from there. You don't have to reprompt anything. You don't have to explain the same fix 5 times. It just runs on its own in the background. And here's the best part. This system can run 24 hours a day. While you're sleeping, while you're working on other things, your agents inside the Agent OS can be building, grading, and fixing work in the background. You wake up to work that's already been checked and improved. Instead of a pile of stuff, you now have to review yourself. So to sum this up, the Agent OS gives you 3 ways to run this loop. The simple loop with one builder and one judge, the Kanban board with a full team of agents working together, and the Agent Mastermind, where your agents brainstorm together in a group chat. All 3 do the same core thing. They take the pressure off you and put it on the AI where it belongs. If you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, come join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus access to a community of 38,000 members who are already using AI to grow their businesses every day. Inside, we break down real AI workflows step by step, share new tools as soon as we find them, and answer your questions directly, so you're never stuck figuring this stuff out alone. And if you want this exact Agent OS setup, the one you just watched running live, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. You'll get the full zip file ready to install with the Loop engineering system, the judge, the Kanban board, and the Agent Mastermind all already connected and working together. You also get coaching calls where we help you set the whole factory up for your own business, plus a community of people running this exact stack right now, and training that takes you from your very first agent all the way to running the full self-checking factory on autopilot. Links in the comments and description too. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment below. Julian really does read them, and I'll see you in the next one.